Alright, hey guys, I've got a John Deere 1025R behind me, and I'm going to go through the steps to get your mower deck on. I have a 54-inch Autoconnect mower deck, and I've seen a lot of posts online of people having issues with it sliding around and having some problems, so I thought I'd go through and just show you my process. I've got a little bit of a life hack that works pretty well, so I'll walk you through the steps on how to get your mower deck on. Alright, and here's my life hack on this, because I have had issues myself, especially on the floor of my pole barn that has a little bit more smooth cement on it, and I'd prefer not to scratch up the bottom of my mower deck. So what I did is I found a rubber mat for someone's truck bed that seems to fit this on there perfectly, and this has kept it from sliding around as I drive over the top. Hey guys, if you liked my video, make sure and give me a thumbs up and subscribe to GreenAkers. Check out my other videos when they become available.